Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes you were discussing the literature portion, the book Honeysuckle, in which I have completed the chapter number 2 up to chapter number 2. First chapter, who did Patrick's homework, as well as I have also completed how did the dog found himself a master, a new master. Okay student, today we will discuss the literature portion, supplementary reader. That is the name of the book, A Pact with the Sun. This is your book. Dear students, in this book I have also completed the chapter number 1, that is A Tale of Two Words. Today we will discuss the chapter number 2, that is A Friendly Mongoose, the friendly mongoose. Okay students, you all know what is mongoose. It's a kind of small animal. Okay, in Hindi we call neola. Dear student, just open the book. It is given at the page number 4. Just open the book. Today we will discuss this story, The Friendly Mongoose. Okay students. Dear student, this is the story of a mongoose who was a very loyal pet animal. And there is also a farmer and the wife of farmer, as well as a newborn baby. And there are 4 members in a family, that is farmer, wife of farmer, a newborn baby, as well as the mongoose. Okay students, now this story is based on these 4 peoples only: farmer's wife, and newborn baby, as well as mongoose. Okay, now just see here, page number 4. You also open your book and put the finger where I am reading. Also try to understand the meaning of the words, as well as I will explain the story in details, each lines. Now see, once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. Once upon a time there was a farmer who used to live with his wife and a newborn baby in the village. They loved him very much, and they loved both the farmer and his wife used to love that newborn baby very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. One day what happened? One day the farmer said to his wife that we must have a pet. Pet means your pet animals. Okay students, as we also keep in our home as a pet animal dog. So here the farmer also wanted to keep a pet animal in his home. So what happened the next? So he said to his wife that we must have a pet in our home. When our son grow up, he will need a companion. The farmer said to his wife that when our little baby will grow up and he need a companion. Companion means friend. He needs a companion. Therefore, he wanted to bring a pet animal. When our son grows up, he will need a companion. This pet will be our son's companion. The farmer said that this pet animal will be the friend of our son. His wife liked the idea, and his wife also liked these ideas given by her husband, the farmer. Okay students, in the paragraph number 1, it is given that there is a farmer and his wife, and there is a newborn baby. And one day what happened? There is an idea stuck in the mind of the farmer that he must have a pet animal in his home. And so that in future that pet animal could become the companion of his baby. Therefore, he wanted to bring a pet animal in his home, and this idea also liked by his wife. Okay, student, this is all about the paragraph number first in the story. Now come to the next. One evening, the farmer brought with him a teeny mongoose. Dear student, just see here, second paragraph. One day, what happened? One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. Tiny means small. Tiny means small. Here, you can see here the meaning tiny. T-I-N-Y. Tiny means very small. You can see. Just see. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. One day, he brought a tiny mongoose. It's baby mongoose. It was a baby mongoose. It was the baby of the mongoose. Okay? Said his wife. But soon will be fully grown, and that will be very soon, very after few months, it will be grown. He will be the friend of our son. And they were thinking, both were thinking that as the baby mongoose will grown, our son will be also grown. Okay? So, he will be the friend of our son. They were talking to each other that baby mongoose will become the friend of his baby, okay, in future. Come to the next paragraph. Turn the page number. Come to the page number 5. Both the baby and mongoose grew. Both babies as well as mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown its full size. But what happened? Within 5 or 6 months, the baby mongoose grown its full size. The baby mongoose grown in its full size within 5 or 6 months. But the baby did not grow as much. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown its full size, a lovely animal, and now it looks a lovely animal. And what kind of lovely animal? With 2 shining black eyes. And 2 shining black eyes were there. And bushy tail. And there was also a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby. But the farmer's son was still a baby. Although within 5-6 months, the shape of the baby's mongoose had fully grown. But the baby of the farmer did not grow as much as the baby mongoose. Okay? Now just see here. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle. Cradle is a kind of cot, a small cot on which we keep the newborn baby. इसको पालना भी कहते हैं हिंदी में. ठीक है? It is a kind of baby cot. Just see. Cradle. C-R-A-D-L-E. Cradle means a baby's cot. A baby's cot. Okay? Just see. The farmer's son was still a baby. Now, the farmer, after 5-6 months, the farmer's son was still a baby. In the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. And it was the daily routine of that baby, that sleeping and crying alternately. Now see, next paragraph. One day the farmer's wife wanted to go to market. One day, what happened? The farmer's wife wanted to go to market. She fed the babies. Feed the babies. And rocked him to sleep. Rock means cradle को झुलाना, यानी कि ऐसे हिलाना. You can see, dear student, this is the cradle. Okay, a baby is cot to which we can also move that cot like this, like swing. Okay, just see. Come to the line. Where was I? She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in the little cradle. She rocked him so that the baby could sleep because she wanted to go to market. Okay? Picking up the basket. And now, when the baby is slept, and then she picking up the basket, she said to her husband, and she also said to her husband, what? I am off to the bazaar. I am off means she is ready to go to bazaar. Bazaar means here market. Okay? I am off to bazaar. The baby is sleeping. She said also that the baby is sleeping and she was going to market. She is going to market. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Keep an eye on him. Eye on him means here keep a watch on him. Look carefully. Okay? Keep an eye on him means keep a watch on him. Okay? Look carefully to the baby. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mangoes. And she said very frankly that she does not want to leave the baby with the mongoose alone. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. And she frankly said to her husband that she does not like to leave the baby alone with the mongoose. Therefore, you will keep an eyes on him, on the baby. Okay, students, come to the next paragraph. You didn't be afraid, said the farmer. Farmer said that there is no need to be afraid. Okay, you didn't be afraid. You don't get afraid with the mongoose. The mongoose is a friendly animal. The farmer said that mongoose is a friendly animal. It cannot harm the baby. And the farmer also said that it's as sweet as our baby. And the farmer said that the mongoose is as sweet as our baby. And they are best friend. You know? And the farmer said that both are the best friend. The mongoose as well as the baby of the farmer were the best friend, the farmer said. But the wife of the farmer did not believe it, and she was saying to her husband that keep an eyes on him, because she does not like to leave the baby alone with the mongoose. Okay? Now come to the next paragraph, students. The wife went away, and after saying this, to keep an eyes on him, to her husband, she went away. And the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, and the farmer was free in the house, he has nothing to do in the house, therefore he was getting bored, and therefore decided to go out to take a look at his field. Therefore he decided to go out and take a look to his field. He decided to go to the field. Not far away. That was not very far away. That was not far away means nearby. Not far away means nearby. Not far away means nearby. Means nearby. Okay. that was very close to the house. Okay, now the farmer decided he has nothing to do in the house, therefore he decided to go to the field that was not very far away, that was nearby his house. He ran into some friends. Ran into means met. Okay, run into means meet. Here the second form of run is there. Ran into. Ran into. Ran into means meet. Okay. Ran into means meet. He ran into some friends on the way. On the way, he met with some friends. Okay. Way back, when he was returning from the field, he met with some friends and didn't return for quite some time. Quite some time means he didn't return very soon. It means he takes a long time in returning. Just here, and didn't return for quite some time, and he didn't return within less time. He has taken too much time with the friends, and he didn't return for quite some time means a very long time. It means he returned from the field very late, so late. Okay, students, he has nothing to do in the house, therefore he decided to go to the field for having a watch on the crops, but while returning he met with some friends and he got delay there. Now what happened to the next? Just see, come to the next paragraph. Okay, students, just see. The farmer's wife finished the shopping. Now the farmer's wife finished the shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. And now she has finished her shopping and she returned to the home with full of basket. There are so many groceries. Groceries means kitchen items. Okay, and come with home with a basket of groceries. Groceries means here kitchen items. Okay, the farmer's wife finished her shopping and come back home with the basket full of groceries, and she returned from the bazaar, from the market, with a full of basket, and in the basket there were so many items related to the kitchens, related to the groceries. Okay, and when she was returning and when she was outside the home, she saw what she saw? She saw the mongoose sitting outside. She saw that mongoose was sitting outside, and if she was waiting for her, it seems that the mongoose was waiting for her. Okay, as if we have pet animal at our home, we can see that, suppose that there is a dog in our home. Suppose we are returning from anywhere, the dog was sitting outside and waiting for us for returning. In the same way, mongoose was also sitting outside. It was waiting for. It seems that it was waiting for her. It was waiting for the mother. She saw the mongoose sitting outside. If she was waiting for her, on seeing her, she ran to welcome her. And on seeing to the mother, she ran there to welcome her. Was a customary. Customary means usual. It was generally performed by the mongoose. Generally, the mongoose used to do this. When someone is coming, it was welcoming to the people, those who are coming to the house. Okay, so here, on seeing her, he ran to welcome her. On seeing the lady, on seeing the mother, the mongoose ran there, okay, to welcome her. Now, as was customary, it was usual practice. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. And now, farmer's wife took a continuous look at the mongoose, and she was cried because there was blood in the paws of the mongoose. And now see here, the farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. Scream means loud cry. Just see here, the farmer's wife look one look, and the farmer's wife have a look. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed, and she also screamed. What? Blood. She screamed the word blood. She cried, and she was crying. She was thinking that that baby mongoose killed her babies. Now, just see here, blood. She cried. She cried. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with the blood, because the face and the paws of the mongoose were smeared with the blood. Smeared means covered with the blood. Smeared. Just see here. Smeared. Smeared means covered. Okay? Just see. The face and the paws of the mongoose were smeared. Smeared means covered with the blood. And after seeing that, she was surprised. She was cried. She was screamed loudly, because there was blood in the paws of, in the face of mongoose. Come to the next paragraph, students. You wicked animal. And she said to that mongoose, you wicked animals, you have killed my babies. And she said to the mongoose that it has killed his babies, her babies. You have killed my baby. And she said that it has killed her baby. But it was not a reality. Although the mongoose saved the baby. How? We can read the next. You have killed my baby. She screamed hysterically. Hysterically means madly. And she screamed loudly. She was blind with rage. Rage means anger. She was blind with rage. वो गुस्से से क्या हो गई? अंधी हो गई, लाल हो गई. Rage means anger. And she was blind with rage, and with all her strength. Strength means power. And with all her strength, brought down the heavy basket. And brought down means फेंकना. And brought down the heavy basket full of groceries. That was full of groceries. The basket was full of groceries, and she brought down that basket where? On the blood smeared mongoose. On the blood smeared mongoose. यानी कि blood smeared, यानी blood से covered उस मंगूस के ऊपर उसने क्या किया? पूरा बास्केट क्या की? फेंक दी. It means now the baby mongoose has died. And the blood smeared mongoose and ran inside the child's cradle. And after throwing the basket on the mongoose, she ran inside to see the cradle, so to see the baby. But what happened there? Just see the next paragraph. The baby was fast asleep, and the baby was sleeping. And the baby was fast asleep there. But on the floor lay a black snake, but there was a black snake on the floor, and it was dead and torn and bleeding. And it was torn means cutted into pieces. The snake was cutted into so many pieces. by the mongoose and bleeding, and there was bleeding on the floor. In a flash means at once. In a flash means at once. She realized what had happened. And now she has realized that what had happened. Now she has understood that the mongoose did not kill the baby, although the mongoose saved the baby from the snake. Therefore, there is a fight between the snake and mongoose. Therefore, there was blood on the floor. Therefore, there was blood in the paws of the mongoose as well as on the face of the mongoose. But she couldn't understand. In rage, in anger, she killed the mongoose with a heavy basket. Now, in a place, she realized what had happened. Now, she has realized that what had happened. अब उसको एहसास हो रहा है कि वो क्या कर दी. What had happened? She ran out looking for the mongoose. Now she again ran out from the home to see the mongoose. But what happened there? Oh, you saved my child. Now she realized that the mongoose saved her life, saved the life of the baby. Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. Now she has realized that the mongoose killed the snake for saving the baby child. What have I done? Now she was saying to herself that what had she done? She cried, touching the mongoose. Now she is also crying. She was also crying by touching the mongoose, who lays dead and still. And now the mongoose was dead on the floor. And still unaware of her sobbing. Sobbing means crying. And now the mongoose is dead. Therefore, yes, he couldn't understand that she was sobbing, she was crying. She was unaware with the crying of the lady. She cried, touching the mongoose, who lays dead and still unaware of her sobbing. The farmer's wife, who has acted hastily. Hastily means rapidly. The farmer's wife who killed the mongoose without thinking anything. Who acted hastily and rashly. Rashly means carelessly. Stared long at the dead mongoose. Now she is staring. Staring means continuous focus on a thing. Continuous looking at a thing. Now she is stared long at dead mangoes. Now she was looking at the dead mango continuously. Because she has committed mistakes. She was realizing that she has committed mistakes. Then she heard the babies crying. Then she also heard the babies crying. Then she wiping her tears. अपने आंसू पोंछते हुए she went to feed him. Now she went inside the house to feed the baby. Okay, students, this is the story of the mongoose who did a good job for saving the baby, but the woman couldn't realize. Okay, students, you read this story, okay, at your home. In the next class, we will summarize this story once again, as well as we will complete the word meaning and question answer of this chapter. Okay, students, that's all for today. Thank you.